Welcome back to Grow My Savings. If you've started a side hustle, whether it's freelancing, online selling, or driving part-time, that's awesome. You've already taken the first step toward financial freedom, earning beyond your main income. But here's the thing. Most people spend their side hustle money instead of growing it. And that's a missed opportunity. Today, we'll talk about how to use your side hustle income wisely so it doesn't just boost your lifestyle, but actually builds long-term wealth through investing. Your side hustle income is special, and here's why. It's flexible money. Unlike your main salary, which usually covers bills and essentials, your side income often feels like extra. That makes it perfect for investing because you can grow it without risking your day-to-day stability. Even small amounts, $50, $100, $200 a month, can become thousands over time with compound growth. The key is consistency and strategy. Let's break down 3 simple strategies to make your side hustle income work smarter. Split it into 3 buckets. The 50-30-20 rule for hustlers, 50%. Reinvest in your hustle. Tools, ads, or skill upgrades, 30%. Invest for the long term. Stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. But 20%. Treat yourself, because balance keeps you motivated. This way, you're rewarding yourself and building assets at the same time. Automate your investing. Set up an auto transfer from your side hustle account straight into your investment app. That way, you never feel like you're losing money. It grows quietly in the background. Apps like Raise, Acorns, or eToro make it easy to invest small amounts regularly without stress. Create a long-term vision for your side hustle income. Decide early what your goal is: building an emergency fund, saving for property, growing an investment portfolio. When your money has a mission, you'll resist the urge to spend it carelessly. Purpose creates discipline, and discipline builds wealth. Let's put this into perspective. If you invest just $200 per month from your side hustle at an average 8% annual return in 10 years, that's over $36,000. In 20 years, it's nearly $120,000. That's the power of turning side hustle money into investment capital instead of spending it all. Small, consistent actions now lead to big financial freedom later. Keep your side hustle money in a separate account. Automate investments to avoid temptation. Reinvest part of your profits back into your skills or business to grow your earning potential. Remember, the goal isn't just to make more money, it's to make your money work for you while you sleep. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If this video helped you see your side hustle in a new light, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's hustling hard. And stay tuned. Yeah.